Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Set of 2-11x 6.00-5 flat free dark grey wheel assembly. Tire diameter, 11.0. Set of 2. Solid, flat free wheels. Dark grey metal rim, 6-inch symmetrical hub and 3/4-inch axle with half-an-inch spanner. Compatible with OEM part 07101105 and Icon XL, ZT-XL. Number 2. WEIZE Universal Fit Flat Free 11x 4.00-5 Lawn Mower. Before purchasing, please check your existing tire sidewall for tire, hub length, bushing, bearing size and section width to ensure proper replacement fit. 2 PCs 11x 4.00-5 lawn mower tires on black wheel, tire type, flat free. 3.4-4.5-5 centered hub, tire outer diameter, 11, section width 4.05, bushing size 3/4 or 5/8 or 1/2, 300 pounds capacity. Maintenance free, NO tube, puncture resistant. No need to check air pressure, add air, or fix tire puncture. Save your time and make you relax in tire care. Number 3. 2-pack, solid rubber flat free tire 6-inch by 1.5-inch hand truck wheel. Quantity, 2. Flat free dense solid rubber, or polypropylene foam, wheelbarrow tire on red hub, non-marking. 6 by 1.5 tire, 6.00 tire diameter. 1.20 tire width, 5/8 bearings hole diameter double bearings on steel rim, up to 350 pounds load capacity. Not for highway use. Tire is non-marking and has the bounce and feel of a pneumatic tire without ever getting flat. Common as the front tire of a riding lawnmower or much more for hand truck all-purpose utility tire 719936247501. Number 4. Set of 2-20x 12.00-10 lawn mower tire and wheel, 10 by 8.5 black rim assembly. Set of 2 wheels, tire and rim included. 4-on-4 bolt pattern. Compatible with 601347 and many more. Tires are 4-ply. Black rim. Number 5. Rough Country Black Steel 15 by 85 by 5.5-19 mm, RC 51-5885 wheel with painted gloss black finish. 10-slot D window design. Durable steel construction. Center cap is not included. Lug nuts are not included. Valve stem is not included. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty.